Swear we was down, now we up. Thank God that I never gave up. Every day is payday, we go nuts. I gotta trust in my gut, cause we cannot live out of fear. This for the smiles and the tears, yeah. I bought the winning team here, yeah. Money gon' double this year, yeah. Young right now, I guess I'm blowing up right now. I never gave up, no. So I'm going up right now, right now, right now. Young right now, I guess I'm blowing up right now. I never gave up, no, yeah. So I'm going up right now.
What's up, guys? How are you doing? We're back with the Rapping the Plastics, guys. I've stopped for a while. It's not even the next day. It's not the day after that. It's not the day after that. It's probably like a week or two after that. What you guys just seen, it's like a week or two after that because, guys, it took time. We're no professionals, so me and Malik finally finished it like a night or two ago, everything. So all I got to do is just throw it back on and put everything together, see how it looks, guys. So I'm gonna let you guys see how it looks with me. A few people asked me if I ever rebuilt the bike yet, guys. We actually just rebuilt the bike. There's a new piston in it. Everything's fine. We got some extra little goodies, nothing crazy, guys, but some new grips. Just shit for the bike, you feel me? To go with the whole scheme that we're doing, guys. So we're gonna get to the bike. We're gonna put everything together. I'm gonna let you guys see the final look. Let's get to it. Guys, so we're here in the garage with the bike. Nothing is on, but it still already looks good, guys. Look at this. So we wrapped the gas tank, right? All the other stuff is in that bin. But we wrapped the gas tank and everything else is wrapped. So we're going to take all of this off, put all the new stuff on. I got to get a new seat cover just to go with the theme. But guys, this look good. You mean, there's a little bit of spots up there. You feel me? A little bit of, mess ups, guys. Not the best rapper. Don't matter. Y'all know this. Y'all know I'm not a good rapper. You feel me? Don't matter, though. It still look good from a distance, because that's it. But, guys, we also got a new front brake. Master cylinder and caliber and brake line. I just got to bleed it and put everything in it, guys. So, I'm going to bleed this. Get the front brakes working, and then we're going to put the rest of the plastics on and see the finishing touch. Guys, now, we got the levers and the grips and everything on. Now I'm going to put on the rest of the plastics, see how everything look. So let's get to it. Hey. Flow shit, go oh shit. No black ink, no pen, no pad, still get paid. Big mad, they still hate. Ego so inflate. Bitch, I'ma catch fuck what they say. One hand shit like OBJ. Damn, oh shit. Bitch, run with a chick that go both ways. Who you know fresher than us? Talking my shit is a must. I got the piercer, oh. This ain't no snow on the bluff. I get it out in a rush. Quality of it a must. Quantity of it a plus. I got the shit out the mud. Moving the ounce of the bud. I put my little baby on. Shorty my 40s. I got a chick in the front. We got the work in the backseat. Yeah, the one in the front be counting the money. Cause shorty a mad fleet. Yeah, 20s and 100s to keep it 100. We ain't had a bad week. Yeah, well, run this shit up like a track meet. I got a chick in the front. We got the work in the backseat. Yeah, the one in the front be counting the money. Cause shorty a mad fleet. Yeah, 20s and 100s to keep it 100. We ain't had a bad week. Yeah. Run this shit up like a track meet. My little chick on call. She go to work when I come through. Swear we be having the ball. Shorty be rolling the blunts too. That's why I'm breaking her off. She get whatever she want to. I let her fuck up the mall. She grabbing shit for her son too. Big dog like Cool Joe. Control 2, nigga, you know. Shine bright like my wristlet. Watch a nigga like you blow. Blow the whistle like woo. Run it up like a track star. Blowing papers like raw cones. Would've thought I had a black car. I got a chick in the front. We got the work in the backseat. Yeah, the one in the front be counting the money. Cause shorty a mad fleet. Yeah, 20s and 100s to keep it 100. We ain't had a bad week. Yeah, well, run this shit up like a track meet. Guys, how are you doing? The bike is finally finished. We done did everything. We're just going over it one more time just to make sure everything's good. Get the brakes to working. Guys, I don't put an hour meter on there. All this shit just to get it working and upgrade a little bit. But the bike looks super good, guys. I'm about to show you guys how it looks right now in a little cinematic type of thing. So let's go see the bike.
Okay, I pull up. So far it's been running for 10 minutes since the new piston, right? Well, not since the new piston. We rode it and broke it in already, but since we did everything, it's been running for 10 minutes. A good thing about this hour meter, guys, it can see the RPMs. I've never seen an RPM on a two-stroke, guys. So let's see what it is. That's idling for the two-stroke. Before, guys, when I first started this up with the cold start, it was at like 10, 11, 12,000 RPM. Let it warm up, put it down. Now it's about between 3 and 35. So I'm guessing that's where idling should be for a two-stroke. But we're about to go up and down a little bit, see how these new plastics holding up. And we're about to get busy, you feel me? Hopefully you can see everything, but let's get on this now. Stop at the stop sign, guys. That's what we do. If we fuck it up some more,
What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? For that vlog, I didn't get to end it. I didn't get to talk to you guys at the ending because immediately after we jumped into another vlog that I'm going to post for you guys in like a day or two, or probably directly after this one, hopefully. But we jumped directly into that, so I didn't get a chance to talk to you guys about it. But guys, the bike looks amazing, guys. Like I said, we're not the best rappers, so yes, there's a little imperfections here and there, guys. But from a distance, and while I'm willing, the bike looks 100. 100 is fire, guys. It's 100%. Now, if you like the bike as well, drop some comments. Tell me what you think. Destroy that like button. You feel me? Pulverize it, smash it, and that subscribe button as well, guys. Smash the subscribe button. You already know what we do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. Do what you guys do best. And stay tuned for the next vlog. Let's get it. The golden boy out here now. Yeah, y'all know it's me when I pull up. Watch this summer gonna be lit. Just watch this.
I guess I'm blowing up right now. I never gave up, now